guys, welcome to Amazon TV. I hope you're okay. Guys, those who think fighting for the country, if you are fighting for your country, you're just wasting your time. You're supposed to be doing some other things. You are wasting your time by moving around. You are wrong, guys. We've seen so many things that are fixed by these patriots. That is why some other African countries are going through what they are going through, because people from Africa, they think if you are fixing your country or if you are demanding something from your government, you're just wasting your time. They think you will be unalived, you'll be arrested, all those things. Yes, of course, it will not be easy, but at least try, do something. And sometimes it's very important for you to learn how to do those things, because sometimes it's the way you are doing those things that your government is taking advantage of you, is unaliving you or arresting you. If you want to fix your country, it's impossible to fix your country if you are divided, doing this tribalism thing. As you can see here in South Africa, politicians are trying by all means to put this thing of tribalism because they want us to be divided. In your country, don't allow them to use that weapon of tribalism to divide you, because they know that once you are divided, you can never move them. So let's listen to these patriots, guys.
The whole of last week, let me put it that way, these guys, the foreign nationals, were closed. And the numbers, we did the good, we doubled or we tripled the numbers. The sales were very good. Unfortunately, the foreign national came back and we're back to square one again. They came back on Tuesday the 7th. Then the business died again.
And what we don't want is violence. We want you to go home as alive as you are. You have done business. You got money now. You can run. So when please. Do you have kids? Do you have a wife? When are you going to get married? You are not willing. Go back home. You can do this business at your home.
Would ask people by we want you out of our country. Okay. South African citizen. Because the bylaws are simply saying that we are renting inside, not outside. This is nonsense in one word. Do you hear me, Dada?
Look at what is going on in Umdantsane. Building sand in front of the shop. But you'll hear our government telling us, hey, it's not your job, it's our job. It's illegally for you as a citizen, as an ordinary citizen, to do this job. You have to phone the government. Why are they not doing their job? If the government officials are there doing their job, why are this community moving around the town, cleaning the town? Everywhere is dirty. These people, they scatter everything on the streets. But we have inspectors who are getting paid each and every month. They are not doing their job. If you stand up and say, okay, let me fix my area because I can see Uti, they don't care. It's when they will tell you, Uti, no, it's not your job, it's our job. Where are they if the town is looking like this? Where are they if illegal immigrants are opening shop everywhere? So these South Africans who are criticizing what patriots are doing, I don't even know what bafuna in. Really.
Uthenga ukutya, uthenga amagwinya, uthenga ichips, iforeigner ekuthiwa masihambe immediately aba bantu bayibona serious le yona igalela ipoison yamagwinya. Thina sisindisa ubomi benu, awukwazi ukuthi ukutya kwetshaba lakho. Thenga igwinya behighway emntwini othengisayo. And ke ngoxa uthenga kulaa mntu uinvest emntwini walapha eMzantsi Afrika, ukhulisa i-economy yaseMzantsi Afrika, unlike ezi zinto ezi. Please sihlobo sam. Asilwi nani, asilwi nebhokotho zeni lesifuna ibhizinesi zibuyele kuni. Yayiva siswam.
Yona lento yokuthi uzutshelwe ukuthi stop buying their food. You know, videos are everywhere. You know how they are making this food. You know how they are manufacturing their food. You know they don't even eat this food. How can you buy igunya from my friend? You know very well how they are doing all these things. How they are even making their cold drinks. And when you're busy with your hard-earned money, you're saying they will move to another country or go back to their countries if we stop buying from them. That is the only way we can make them to go back to where they are coming from.
Asilwi nani, asilwi nebhokotho zeni lesifuna ibhizinesi zibuyele kuni. Yayiva siswam. It's not like isilwa nina, asilwi nina. The frustration esinayo kukuba bona bakwazi nobhaka igunya, bona bakwazi noxova. Igunya ndiyalazi ke mna ke ndikhuliswe ngamagwinya nefish ekhaya. Umama is asthmatic because of it. better ke ngokuba uinveste kum mna ndingumntana wakhe nani investani kuni for abantwana benu not for i-foreigners. Asilwi nani, we know very well that niyasebenza kwaba bantu but you can do it. Akakwazi masibantu ukwenza igwini, akakwazi ukwenza i-potato chips, uzenza kuwe but imali yena ayifumanayo ngeveki nemali akunika yona wena ngeveki okanye ngenyanga, it's not even half of imali ayifumanayo. Silwela nina, asilwi nani. Niyayiva guys, asilwi nani, silwela nina. Ningaba lapha mosinele eMdantsane, i-economy yaseMdantsane ayiseyo eMdantsane anymore. Ii-shops zalapha eMdantsane ezazenanwa ngamaXhosa akho nenye who's cooperating ngoku because these people they don't even being taxed. Sifuna iibhizinesi zibuyele kuni, cenga nani neentliziyo zenu nani niyazi uba asilwi nani apha. Soze silwe ne-South African citizens but silwela nina. Niyayiva tsho ndicala le nto ndiyithetha niyazi uba asilwi nani and ningabi ne-attitude kuthi because nathi asina-attitude kuni, sine-attitude. Mandibulise ngosuku lanamhlanje Friday. Silapha eMdantsane ke Ntenteni highway next to le molanyana encinci apha ino-Shoprite KFC. Sisathi mabahambe eyona nto ibangele into yobana masifikele ekuseni apha zii-threats zamapolisa no-law enforcement bethe bazazowisa intente yethu but ke because we are aware that they don't want le nto siyenzayo. Baxa kokususa amagali la ahleli foreigners apha chitha apha eMdantsane unyukunyuku apha gcwele amagali wama-foreigner ngoba abona abantu silwa nabo thina apha ngama-foreigner esithi u-law enforcement ufanele u-enforce i-bylaws asuse yonke le nto yemfungumfungu yama-foreigner ilapha ehighway ingabukekiyo, ayeke abantu bethu bona balapha eMzantsi Afrika baqhube iibhizinesi zabo. Silapha ke sizothi mabahambe, asiyeki le nto siyenzayo. We are calling up on bonke abantu base-Eastern Cape to come and join us. Sikhempe apha eMdantsane for 10 days but I think we are going to extend ngoba i-10 days kufanele uba iyaphela kule veki but we are going to extend ngoba asikawugqiba umsebenzi wethu kufanele uba siyawenza. We are pleading ke abantu bakuthi to be part of us because le nto siyenzayo siyenzela for the benefit of the South Africa. We are doing it for i-benefit yabantu bakuthi uba ii-businesses mazibuyele kwi-South African citizens. Silapha ke siyoyiki futhi le nto siyenza bazawufika besibalindile aba banamaquza bona akho ntente bazayichitha apha. If ever banomdla okanye bane-appetite yosebenza baze ne-TLB bachithe yonke le mfungumfungu yala magali amdaka ama-foreigner alapha e-highway bashiye abantu bethu abazi-South African citizens bezenzela iibhizinesi zabo because bona they don't invest elizweni lethu, abana-input abazanayo ngaphandle kozodistroya i-South Africa. So sithizani ke bantu bakuthi bona bayahamba.
So guys, as you can see, as you can hear, ukuthi labantu benza umsebenzi ka-government. On a first clip, you saw a South African complaining that his business was doing very well. Then before the 30th of June, their shops were closed and he was doing very well. His business was booming. Everything was okay. Until again, after the 30th, foreign nationals came back. No business anymore. Those South African customers who were buying from him when foreigners were not around, they decided to run back to foreigner again. That is why I always say, let's not blame the government alone. We are also destroying each other. Nathi si wrong. Thina if besingathengi kulabantu ngabe kade bahamba, a South African shop is there to sell good food for you, but you choose to go to a Pakistani shop and buy expired goods. Why are you doing this to yourself? So guys, we have to change. We have to learn to support each other. Anyways, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Thank you so much guys. Love you. Bye.